Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Anjelika Kitchen Lab. It's Christmas time and it's the perfect time to bake something truly exclusive. A black forest cake with rich chocolate, vibrant cherry layers. The elegant decor is the ultimate holiday showstopper. Complex in flavor, stunning on the table, and guaranteed to leave your guests begging for more. Don't be puzzled with all these multiple ingredients. Don't worry about it. This is just the pieces of the puzzle that we'll put together easily. And of course, I need to introduce today my little Santa helper, Bruno. He is huge expert, especially on the cream cheese flavors and cherry flavors. So I'm absolutely trust him. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, the first step, we need to mix all dry ingredients. Cornstarch, baking powder, and flour. We'll just put them all together and set them aside. So next step, we split our eggs for the egg yolks and egg whites and add half of the sugar in the egg yolks. Our egg yolks and sugar looks good. Now we add oil and cacao powder. Now we're adding hot water to our mixture and continue mixing together until it's going to be nice and smooth without any lumps. Looks beautiful. Okay, and now we put our dry ingredients into our chocolate mixture. And we'll keep mixing it all together until it's going to be nice and smooth. Now it's time for our egg whites. Put a little bit of salt and we'll mix it. All right, now we add sugar to the mass and mix it until dense peaks. Okay, and now we gently mix our white eggs in the chocolate mix. Right, now we'll transfer it to our form. All right, now it goes for 1 hour for 350 Fahrenheit. We'll prepare a cherry interlayer. So we'll need our cherries, lemon juice, cornstarch, water, and sugar. And on a medium heat, we'll just keep cooking until it got dense and ready for the cake. Okay, so our cherry interlayer ready, nice and thick. So I'll transfer it to cool down until it's ready for our cake. We'll do syrup for the biscuit. So we'll put cherry juice and sugar and just mix it until nice and thick. Right, now it's time to prepare our decoration. So I'll be doing a chocolate tree bark. So for that we'll need chocolate chips, hot cream to make chocolate ganache. I use proportion 1:1, 8 ounces to 8 ounces. And we'll just mix it all together. Chocolate ganache is ready. And I'm gonna transfer it on the foil, cover it with butter. Cover with the opposite and let it cool down. Our biscuit is ready. I'm gonna check it with the wooden stick. It's nice and dry. Like this, like this. Perfect. And now it's time to cool down. So while we're cooling down, we're gonna make it cream. Time to prepare our cream. So we'll use cream cheese, heavy cream, and sugar powder. All right, now cream is ready. It's nice and thick and keeps the form. So we're gonna cool down in the fridge a little bit and we'll put our cake together. And now we're ready to make our final decoration. It's gonna be chocolate pine cones. So we'll need any simple cookies, divide into parts. So I'm gonna blend in a regular speed and another small fine chop. And Elsa will need chopped walnuts. Okay, so we'll mix our cookies. Fine chop and a little bit larger portion. And we're gonna add our walnuts. We're gonna prepare our chocolate mass. We use milk, cornstarch, sugar, and cocoa powder. And we'll stir until it's ready. And now we'll just keep stirring our chocolate mass until it will get nice and smooth. Almost ready. Looks beautiful. And we're gonna add our butter. And just keep stirring. We're gonna put together our beautiful chocolate mass with the cookie and walnuts. And we'll mix it all together. Smells so good. Well, actually what I'm doing right now, it's an additional dessert will go on the top of the cake. And it's called kartoshka, which means potato. And this is dessert when I was small and lived in Odessa in Ukraine. So we've been using cookies and all the ingredients. But I'm not gonna be making potato, I'm gonna be doing pine cones. Time to create beautiful cones. All right, I got about 8. Now it's time to create our beautiful cones. And we'll just keep going. It takes a little while, but it's all worth it. It looks so beautiful on the cake. All right, now it's time to put our beautiful cake together. So I'm gonna add cherry liquor to our syrup. Like that. And so this cherry syrup will go on the layers of the cake. So the next, we'll put the cream. And our cherry syrup in between. All right, here we go, final touches. Today is the day 2 of making this beautiful cake, Black Forest. I left it in the fridge for overnight to make sure all the layers penetrated, and today I put it all together and decorated. So I used handmade pine cones, biscuit crumbs on the top. I hope you like this cake. It's definitely going to be a centerpiece on any holiday table. It looks gorgeous and it's definitely delicious. So it's a Black Forest cake made from cherry and chocolate and beautiful decoration. Okay, I hope you will attempt to do it because definitely it's going to be a centerpiece for any holiday table that your family and friends will enjoy. So if you like my video, my recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!